Oh, we're looking at the word family ending of ash. Ash. A-S-H. And our S-H goes shh. Let's cover our letters with some Play-Doh. Okay, we've got our letters covered. Let's put some letters in front to make words. If I add an F-L in front, I get full ash, flash, flash, like a flash of lightning. I'm a superhero. If I add the letter C in front, hard C, I get ash, ash, cash, cash. It's another word for money. Cash.
Oh yeah, cash, moolah, dineros.
If I add a letter R in front, I get ash, ash, rash, rash. When you get a itchy part on your skin and it goes red, it's a rash.
Oh, it's so itchy, it's so itchy.
If I add a C back in front of that R, I get ash, ash, crash, crash. Maybe two cars crash into each other, or something drops and makes a loud crash sound.
Hooey, who took out the trash?
If I add an S-P-L in front, I get spole, ash, ash, splash, splash. You might make a big splash in the water. Splash. What words can you make from the ash word family ending?